What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Naomi. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe down below. Let's go to hop into this video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a no gel wash and go. This is my first time ever trying it. Your girl has been a little fed up with her hair. My hair has been going through a little bit of changes, but you know, we're gonna get it together. We're definitely gonna get it together in the new year. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair. As you guys can see, I have a little rat tail. I'm growing a rat tail. You know, it's only been, I've been like restarting it every month, but yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair into 4 sections just to make it a lot easier. My hair is drenched, wet, like it is wet. It doesn't look wet, but you know, that's what happens when you have low porosity hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that it's soaking wet to have a really good wash and go. My continuous mist spray, I'm just going to make sure my hair is nicely soaked and ready for this wash and go. For my leave-in, I'm using Miss Jessie's leave-in condish. I've been using this product for a little while now, and honestly, it's like a lightweight leave-in conditioner. I feel like if your hair is soaking wet and you apply it in the shower, I feel like it'll be a lot better. But as you guys know, I'm applying it outside of the shower for video content purposes. But I do like this. I love Miss Jessie's. I love the multicultural curls. I love the pillow soft curls. And I also love there's another one. I think it's pillow soft curls. Did I say that? Yeah, I think I said that. But I'm using that as my leave-in conditioner. And I'm just going to make sure I continue to spritz my hair with water. Then for my styler, I'm going to be using the SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil in ACV leave-in conditioner. This one's a little bit more heavier. It's a little bit of heavier cream, so I'm using kind of like a butter, and I'm just going to go in with that. I'm going to be very generous with that. I'm not going with a dime size. I'm going in with a good amount because I want my hair to be super defined. Now the back of my hair is not hard to define. I'm going to be concentrating this a lot on the front of my hair, but as you guys can see, look at the clumping, look at the curls. They're looking really nice, and you know, your girl's gonna have to do this a little bit more often. No gel wash and goes. We're going to try to do this more often. As you guys notice, in the front part of my hair, it is a little damaged. I got some damage in the mid shaft of my front pieces of my hair, but I'm going to finger coil those once I get to them and to add more definition to them. Always, whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair and spritz my hair, make sure it is nice and wet, okay? One thing I do love about the Miss Jessie's leave-in condish is that it may look thick, but it's really not. It's pretty lightweight, has a nice feel to it. It's kind of like a jelly mixed in with like a cream, so it gives you like that kind of clear opaque color. So that's what I really like about it. It's super lightweight and it spreads if you add more water to it. That's why I do prefer to apply this inside the shower. But I love Miss Jessie's products. I love the Pillow Soft curls and I love the multicultural curls. They're a little expensive for my taste, but I definitely do love them. They work really good on my hair. Do let me know in the comment section down below if you guys have any product recommendations. Definitely want to try out Curlsmith. I also want to try out the curl maker from Camille Rose. They have really good products. I love their shampoo. Their deep conditioner is really good. Their butters are really good. So I definitely want to try out their curl maker. Sorry. I think at Walmart it dropped down to $17, so I might pick it up. You know what I'm saying? I might pick it up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and style my hair. Lately my hair has been like shedding like crazy. In this video you guys did not see it because I did not add it, but my hair was shedding while I was styling my hair. And usually I detangle right after I get out the shower. Like in the shower I detangle, and when I'm like styling I obviously detangle as well. But my hair was shedding like full strands, and I don't know what is causing it. I think my anemia has something to do with it, but I'm not 100% sure. So if you guys have any tips, please go ahead and leave them in the comment section. To add volumes to the root, I am going to add in some hair clips and just pinch up the root so when it dries it will have that automatic kind of like a valley looking, I don't know how to explain it, but it just adds volume to the roots. And so when I pick out my hair I don't have to like pick too much at the front. I could just pick everywhere around it and just give it a nice little body. Is how my hair dried. I'm using a wide tooth comb to pick out my hair. You guys know I love a good little middle part. Now I am impressed on how my hair looks. It's not giving like defined like stiff wear type, but it's definitely giving like a fluffy wash and go, and lately I've been trying to achieve that. So I was pleasantly surprised. I had no flaking, which I really loved. My color looks good. The hair shape looks good. It's giving a heart shaped, and that's what I love. I love a good heart shaped hair look. Like I love that. I hope that you guys like this video. Please go ahead and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.